Where at?
The initial.
Initial position. Good job. All right. If you have bat, show me bat. Echo.
Bat.
Bats.
Bat.
Bat. All right. What did we do, Diego?
We added
We added.
a lip puffer in the initial position.
Did we add it? What did we do with it?
Replaced it.
What did we do with it, Rebecca?
We switched it.
We didn't switch.
We traded.
We had bat, so we had, and we traded it for the. Okay, we made a trade. All right, if you have a bat, show me bit. Echo,
Bit.
unblend, it. Rebecca, you're gonna stand up and do this. You've got to wake up. Okay, show me bit.
Bit.
It. So what do we do? Diego, what did we do?
We kept it the same.
Okay, we just had an elevator. You didn't change the previous one because you were taking a cat nap. Leave it there. Leave it there. All right, if we have bit, show me fit. Fit. It. All right, now what did we do?
We traded
Good job. We traded a
lip
puffer for a
Lip
lip chiller in the.
initial position.
Very good. Okay, you can put the cards back. Okay, so remind me, what are our smiling vowels? It and ah. What are our lip puffers?
They are.
What are they?
And
And b. Our tongue tappers are and
and
d. All right, good job. Okay, so you're gonna need your tray, but we also need our paper. We'll just start on number 4, okay, so we don't waste paper. All right, so if you remember, when we have our vowel in a closed syllable is short, we coded it with a breathe, and how do we say it? The A, how do we say it? Ah, good. All right, so I'm going to give you some words. I want you to listen to the words, and we're going to look and listen. Echo. What does this mean? This is unblend with your fingers. Pull down your pictures, and then we're going to touch and spell with our pictures. All right, then we're going to write it out. All right, so the first one, look and listen. Ready? Yeah, we're still on this. I got to give you the word. All right, the first one is dab.
Dab.
Unblend.
The.
All right, pull down sound pictures. All right, touch and spell. So, D is what letter? D, A, B. Okay, now, you know what? We didn't need that paper after all. You need the one I originally. You need this one. The one you already have. Okay, so down here on your next line, I want you to spell that for me in beautiful cursive. Dab. B. D is a tall letter, goes all the way to the top. Good. All right, clear your trays. All right, the next one is dad. Echo, blend.
D,
All right, pull down your pictures. All right. Now spell. D.
A, D.
Good. Now on your paper, spell it out. All right, D-A-D. Good job. Okay, next up, we have some learned words. These are our instant words that we've already learned. What is this?
That. And.
Okay, good. And these are words that we just instantly know, remember? All right. Okay, so you still got your paper. We're going to look and listen. Echo. This just means, is there any tricky words? So I'm going to give you a phrase. If there's any tricky words, and this is when you would say that's kind of a tricky word. And then you're going to echo the phrase one more time, and then you're going to write the phrase out. Okay? Got it? All right. So the phrase is tap and pat. Echo.
Tap and pat.
Any tricky words? Okay. One more time. Tap and pat.
Tap and pat.
Okay, so let's unblend, let's write it down. Tap and pat.
Forgot how to do P.
A P? Oh. There's tap. Aw, man. I went too high. It's okay. Tap and pat. So write the whole phrase. And pat. And you may have to write in print because we haven't learned the cursive yet. Don't forget to cross your T. Good. And pat. Okay, so let's look at that. What did we have? Tap.
And pat.
Alright, so when we get ready to code this, how do we code this?
Oh, I don't know. Well, some of them. They shortcut it with a brief.
Okay, so this word is
Tap.
tap. Now this is an instant word, and what we will do with our instant words, we will just circle them. We don't have to code them. And a vowel,
Inclusive is short-coded with a brief.
pat. Tap and pat. Alright, good job. Okay, and lastly, if you'll turn back to the front of your notebook, where we had our concepts. And let's turn over to the A. We've got the unaccented, the A by itself says coded with a
Tittle.
tittle. So in that box, what can we write to help us remember the word tittle? What does it sound like?
Skittle.
Skittle. So let's write skittle. Skittle. S-K-I-T-T-L-E. Alright. And that's not the right spot. You're supposed to be on the A with a tittle. Alright. so when we see A by itself, it says what sound? And we code it with a